just flying a drone.
What?
Oh, I just like flying drones.
Yeah, not outside the police station.
So who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Oh, I'm really sorry.
Okay.
I'm really, really sorry about that. I should have known better.
No. Sorry.
So what's your name?
My name's Beth.
Okay. So should I not be doing that?
I don't think it's a great idea. Would you want it outside your house?
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
It's a little thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it up, all right?
Okay. Well, I think someone's going to come and see you.
Everything starts with a confrontation. Before any real conversation can take place, she immediately steps forward and declares that filming is not allowed. Her words are firm, but what stands out even more is the attitude behind them. There is no attempt to ask questions, no effort to understand what is happening, and no reference to any law. Instead, the encounter begins with a warning and the suggestion that more officers will be called if compliance is not immediate. From the very first moments, the atmosphere changes. What could have been a simple discussion quickly turns into a challenge of authority, setting the tone for the entire encounter.
Are you?
I'm a police officer and you're
are you?
doing this under the police station, so why are you here?
I'm really sorry.
Well, you know that it's a police station, so why are you doing this in here? Is that your drone?
Yeah.
Yeah, you shouldn't be.
Oh, why not? So who are you guys? Like, you're all in plain clothes.
Hang on. Right.
What do you mean, hang on? Can you no, get your hand off me.
Can we call a unit, please?
No, hold on. What are you doing? What's going on here? Well, let me land it then.
What is it? Yeah, bring it down now. No, I don't. Because you're looking into the backyard of a police station.
What, is that not allowed?
No, it's not allowed.
Why is it not allowed? Can we all slow down a sec? What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
I'm PC Emily O'Connor.
Emily O'Connor. You know you just put hands on me. You shouldn't really do that without identifying yourself. You could be a civilian.
Yeah. I just identified myself that I'm police.
Yeah, but you're just a right.
So are the girls. Can you get some uniform police here, please?
Yeah, we don't need any uniform police. No, I'm leaving, by the way. I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. I'm not.
No, you're not leaving now.
What, am I detained? What's going on?
Well, you're not leaving now.
No, I'm leaving. Are you detaining me? Mind up, sorry.
Well, you just run this into me.
We've only said that you shouldn't be having drones on around the police station.
No, but it's been filming the back of the police station.
No, I'm leaving.
What happens next is difficult to ignore. As the auditor attempts to leave, he asks a straightforward question. Am I being detained? It is a question that should have a clear answer, yet none is provided. The officers hesitate, avoid the issue, and fail to explain the legal basis for their actions. Instead of clarity, there is confusion. Instead of lawful justification, there are evasive responses and uncomfortable silence. The exchange highlights a troubling reality. Authority alone is not enough. When officers cannot explain the law they are enforcing, confidence in their actions begins to crumble.
What's going on?
Call the option.
Is anyone calling you?
So what am I detained under? Otherwise I'm leaving.
We need to know what footage you've got.
No, you don't need to look. You don't need to look at anything.
Yeah, because you're filming the police station.
And I can film it. No, sorry, I'm leaving. Get your hand off me. Don't touch me. Get your hand off me. Are you detaining me under a power? What's going on?
It's yours.
That's mine.
Why are you taking photos of me?
Anyone...
Am I detained or not?
I didn't call.
We need to get someone.
You just assaulted me numerous times without even detaining me. So what's going on? You did. You just tried to grab me.
Because you're trying to run away. We've asked you to.
I'm not trying to run away. I've asked you a question. Am I detained or not? You're saying, oh, you can't leave. You're surrounding me. You're trying to stop me.
Well, you were outside police station.
I can be outside the police station. Yes, of course I can.
Unless you have a police business, which is at the front and not at the back.
I don't have a police business. I don't need to have.
So why are you here?
Because I'm allowed to fly it. I'm allowed to fly it.
No, you're
Of
not.
course I'm allowed to fly it.
No,
I am allowed to fly it.
Go to the park and fly it, but
No,
not
I want
over
to fly
the
it here.
police station.
You don't own the airspace, do you?
Neither are you. I said go to the park, not...
The situation becomes even more questionable when the discussion turns to the drone. An officer confidently states that flying the drone is not permitted. Yet once again, no legislation is cited, no official guidance is referenced, and no explanation is offered. The statement is presented as fact, despite lacking any visible legal foundation. The drone involved is a lightweight DJI Mini 2, a category of aircraft generally permitted in many public spaces when operated safely and within aviation regulations. Rather than addressing those regulations, the officers appear to rely on assumption rather than knowledge. Moments like this can damage public trust, because people expect facts, not opinions presented as law.
And stop filming me.
You just took a photo of me. You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about, like. Why are you all bugging out like this? Just relax.
No, I'm not gonna relax.
Well, you just tried to. You lot have just put hands on me numerous times.
Over the police
I can't have it
station.
over the police
you
station.
Can't.
Who are you? Can you identify yourself?
I already did.
No, you
multiple
didn't.
Times.
No,
I
you
already
didn't.
did
Who are you?
multiple times.
Who are you?
Can we have a uniform officer in here, please?
No, you lot are moving mad. I'm leaving. You still haven't told me what I'm detaining them. You put hands on me numerous times. I'm not very happy with. I'm not very happy. I'm not. Well, of course I can run away. You haven't. You haven't.
So agitated.
I'm getting agitated because you lot have surrounded me.
We've asked you a question. Why are you?
No. I don't feel comfortable right now. I feel very scared. I feel very scared. You lot surrounded me.
You're scared. You're pathetic. That's
Why am I pathetic? You lot have grabbed me, put hands on me.
You've tried to run away when we've asked.
What do you mean try to? I can run. It's a free country. If I want to run, I can run. All right, see ya. If I want to run, I can run. Guess what? I can walk where I want. How about that?
That's fine. We've got your photo.
You got my photo. Now what? No, I need to make a complaint certainly about you and about this lady putting hands on me and that.
you do.
What do you mean? Of course I do. You just put hands on me.
Well, you would.
Oh, what? Because I flew a drone? What?
Yeah,
it's illegal.
over
It's
the
a legal
police-
activity.
yeah,
It's a
it
legal
is.
activity. I'm going to do it again.
Do you have a license to fly this? Oh,
Yes, I
you?
do. I have an operator ID. You don't need a license to fly a drone that's under 250 grams. It's 250 grams, so I can fly it wherever I like.
Well, we need a police officer. We don't need a PCSO in here.
That's very rude, actually.
Do really nothing.
No, but we've asked him to call. Asked her to call it in.
So there's nothing like funny going on here.
But what
I
was
need
the
to.
reason?
Can you write me down your collar number, please, so I can make a complaint?
What was the reasoning behind flying it over?
Because I want to do it.
But why?
It's my freedom to do it. I'd like to do
What
it.
do you want to
It's
look
not.
at? Do you not know that that's like a terrorism threat and things like that?
No, I don't think I can see all that on Google Earth as well. Yeah. So it doesn't really make any sense. So I'm going to get the drone back up now. I don't want to be interfered with again. If we can just leave it at that, that would be great.
No, you can't because it's the police station. So I don't want you to fly over the police station.
No, I'm going to get it back up right now. Put it away because I don't know what you lot are going to do.
You can go to the park with that.
I don't want to do it in the park. I want to have a look inside there. Yeah, I want to look in there. Yeah.
Okay, then so we can get a uniform unit and you can get nicked for it.
You get nicked for what? What's the crime?
Yeah, for under terrorist act.
Yeah. What's that?
Then comes one of the most controversial moments of the encounter. The word terrorism suddenly enters the conversation. It is introduced as though it automatically justifies police intervention, yet no specific legal power is identified and no clear explanation follows. The seriousness of such an accusation cannot be overstated. Invoking anti-terror legislation without demonstrating a lawful basis risks turning an important safeguard into a tool of intimidation. Instead of reinforcing authority, it raises questions about whether the powers being referenced are fully understood by those attempting to use them.
So what? Because you're looking like a fool. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, because
You're just playing with your hair and that, man. Why don't you answer some questions? So which section of the Terrorism Act? Is it section 43? See, the difference between me and you, I know what I'm talking about. You don't.
do you now?
Of course I know
So
what I'm talking about. Would
why
I
are
come
you
here and
here?
film if I didn't know what I was talking about? Would I come and do this if I didn't know what I was talking about? You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about. You're looking a bit silly in the process. I suggest you just leave me to do what I need to do and we just leave it at that, forget this happened. But I'm still definitely going to make a complaint about you because you just tried to touch me and grab me. If I didn't jerk away, there's no telling what might have happened, so...
yeah, clearly.
Would you two mind identifying yourselves?
My shoulder number's right there.
This is not professional though, is it? Could you say your name?
No, we don't say that.
My name,
You don't have to identify.
My name's on here.
Yeah,
And
it's
my
just
shoulder
very
number's there.
unprofessional. Is the whole station like this? Very poor. Have you got a designation card?
That's what these are for.
That's all you need. That's all you need.
That's what you don't need a designation card that lists what police powers you have. You don't need.
Concerns about accountability continue to grow. When asked to identify themselves properly, the PCSOs provide names and identification numbers, but do not produce their designation cards. While some may see this as a minor issue, designation cards play an important role in demonstrating the powers and responsibilities assigned to PCSOs. Without that transparency, members of the public are left uncertain about the exact authority being exercised. Accountability depends on openness, and moments like these inevitably lead to further scrutiny.
Who is flying the drones?
She was. So we're not showing designation cards, no?
I don't have to show my designation.
You don't?
cards.
You're sure about that?
Card is what I have on control with me.
So you don't have a card there that shows your... So may I see it? So I can see. I'm not speaking to her, I'm not speaking to you.
Mate, can I understand why you're flying it? I'm a police sergeant. Can I understand why you're flying a drone? Yeah.
So who are you?
I've just identified who I am. I said I'm a sergeant.
Yeah, because I wanted to do it.
You wanted to fly a drone into our premises.
Yeah.
Why? I just want to
because I can do it. I wanted to have a look in there.
Should look into our into the police station. Have you got any reason for that?
No reason, just recreation. It's a hobby.
Near police buildings.
In a police building?
Yeah. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, it's you.
Am I free to go, yeah?
It's you that is flying the
So
drone.
you're a sergeant, can you take my complaint? So a few of your colleagues and that, they put hands on me and stuff like that
because obviously we
you can't just put hands on me though, can you? Look, you're in plain clothes, I didn't even know you're police.
But
do you know what I mean? I have a right to defend myself. What would happen if I put hands on you?
I bet she have identified herself.
Regardless, they didn't tell me I was detained. You can't just come and start putting hands on me without telling me I'm detained. So I'm not detained right now, I can go, yeah?
No, if you stand over
No, I don't need to stand nowhere.
Mate, listen.
Don't make me nothing. Call me sir for one. And
Throughout the encounter, the auditor remains focused on one thing: getting answers. His questions are direct, consistent, and entirely lawful. He repeatedly asks officers to explain their actions and provide the legal basis for their decisions. Far from being aggressive, his approach reflects a fundamental principle of democratic societies. Public officials should be able to explain the authority they are exercising. Every unanswered question becomes significant. Every refusal to clarify only adds to the uncertainty surrounding the encounter.
you ain't going to put hands on me.
No, I will not be, but we would like to understand why.
You're not going to put hands on me. You don't need to understand nothing. Tell me that I'm detained under something and I'll stay. If not, then I'm not staying nowhere. So come on, someone needs to do something now, innit?
Sorry, who are you called?
The girls are trying to call.
There's no point. If you put hands on me, I'm going to push you out the way.
I haven't put my hands.
If you try and stop me from leaving, I'm going to push you out the way. If you put hands on me, I'm going to push you out the way as well. I'm just telling you preemptively. If anyone puts hands on me, you're going to get put off me. Do you understand?
Right. I do not.
Yeah?
I do not want to escalate.
All right, good. So don't stand in my way. No. If you put hands on me, hold on. So what's going on? No. If you put hands on me, get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me.
On your radio, can you use it?
Look at all this.
Officer on the radio.
Don't put hands on me.
Can I
don't put hands on me. You don't have to understand nothing.
He was flying a drone over
Right.
Don't
You
put hands on
cannot
me.
just
Don't
fly
put
a
hands on me.
drone.
Yeah,
I
can
want
fly
to
a drone.
understand. Listen. Okay, I'm detaining. Can I understand why are you?
You don't need to
flying
understand
drone
anything.
that's
What are you
going
expecting
into-
to find? You've just searched me under section 1 of PACE. What are you expecting to find?
Where's the drone that you have?
This is none of your business.
So because this is a police premises, can I have your radio? One of you, can I have your radio? When who spoke to him before?
Am I detained or not? Are you not meant to be searching me right now?
who
Are you
detained-
not meant to be searching me right now?
Can I find out?
You just
who
said section
detained
1 of
you?
PACE.
Apparently Mel with a drone at Green Police Station who's now kicking off, causing a bit of a problem.
I haven't kicked off, done nothing, man. Just let me go, man. What the fuck is this? Let me go.
Right, can I for 1 second, please? Can you relax, please?
I'm relaxed.
Please relax.
You've got no right to be stopping me, search me right now.
Because you cannot be.
So are you trying to find prohibited items? Are you
Listen,
trying to find
listen,
drugs?
mate.
Are you trying to find weapons? I don't understand. But what are you trying to find? You're talking about section 1 of PACE, but I don't know what you're trying to find. At least let me know what are the grounds for the search and what you're expected to find. You just put grabbing me up and that, not letting me go, and now telling me section 1 of PACE. What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
You want me to?
Because you were putting hands on that on me as well.
I didn't touch you.
Well, you were.
What do you expect? You are at the back of the police station flying a drone. So what do you expect is going to happen? Can you please explain it to me? What do you expect is going to happen? That the police officers coming to duty will just walk past you and they will let you fly your drone over the police station? Is it that what you expect? But is it that's what you expect? Nothing's going to happen. Yeah.
Well, I don't expect
okay,
this.
So
I certainly don't
very
expect.
much
I
mistaken.
certainly don't expect
so
this.
you very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect this.
Well, you caused it. You caused it.
Well, I
so
asked you to put hands on me and
therefore,
surround
you
me
are
and
in a position where you
threaten to
are
search
at the
me in
moment.
section 1 of PACE. I did that, did I?
Yes,
you're the one
did.
that launched with all this paranoia, all this crazy shit.
Well, yeah, because you were flying
you could have
from
just waited
over
for
the
some
police
comms.
station.
You could have just waited for some comms, but instead you just wanted to launch.
They stopped and said, why are you flying a drone?
You know what? I don't think you're in the right job. Like, you're just too emotional, too crazy. Like, And now you've put him in a sticky situation. Do you know what I mean?
What sticky situation, mate?
Because bro, you just messed up, bro. You just put hands on me, section 1 of pace. Oh, now, so what are the grounds for the search? So I'm detained now, yeah? I'm detained under section 1 of pace.
Yeah.
But no one's speaking to you.
I need to find out what's going on, please. Just
so you can't detain me to find out what's going on, Sergeant?
Listen, if you're flying a drone, what they have told me, if you have flown a drone into this premise.
But how does that suggest that I've got weapons or drugs or stolen goods on me?
I want to know what
so why have you used section 1 power?
I need to.
Answer the question. No, answer the question, please. I have a right to know why you've used the section 1 power.
It's his powers. He can use the powers he wants. They're not your powers, aren't they?
Well, all right. I have a right to know why he's using the power.
Well, he gave you.
He didn't give me anything.
He gave you.
You just put him in a situation where he felt like he had to detain me. He couldn't think on the spot, so he's come up with section 1 of pace. What the hell is going on here? Why have none of you lot in uniform as well? Could you please stop interjecting? No, I understand, but you're familiar with section 1 of pace. You've used section 1 of pace. Is it a search power or is it a stop power?
If he feels as if he needs to use section 1 of pace,
it's not really answering the question, is it? It's not about feelings, is it? It's not about I feel like I want to use section 1 of pace.
I don't need to answer it.
Then why are you answering?
If he feels he needs to use his section 1 pace power, he can use his section 1 pace.
It's not good. It's not good for Patel, man.
Okay,
like you should know better than that, bro. Come on. You know it's a search power. We all know it's a search power.
I know it's a search.
So all right. So what's this right now?
Okay.
What's going on right now?
Detained by him. I can't justify his actions.
No, you don't have any sort of idea, any sort of opinion?
That's up to him.
I'm not asking you to justify anything. I'm just asking you. We can all agree that it's a search power.
All right. But I have to stop you now under section 42 of the Terrorism Act.
So am I still detained under section 1?
No, you're not detained under section 1.
Okay, so I'm free to go now, yeah?
No, you're not free. But I can tell you now,
okay,
you've been detained under section 42.
Then the situation reaches a critical turning point. An officer initially references one legal power before suddenly shifting to another. Moments later, he pulls out his phone and begins reading legislation during the interaction itself. The scene is remarkable. The focus turns to anti-terror powers, yet no clear grounds are provided to support such a serious suspicion. There is no explanation of any specific threat, no indication of intelligence, and no evidence presented beyond the presence of a camera and a drone. For many viewers, this becomes one of the most concerning moments in the entire encounter. The use of significant legal powers demands significant justification.
I will need to see that what you're videoing. I have to review it. Then if we are happy, then I can give it back to you. But at the moment, you've been detained on that section, okay?
And if I don't give it to you?
I will have, you know what is going to
What's going to happen?
Listen, mate, listen. All I want, I just want us to deal with this amicably.
Well, we haven't really dealt with it very amicably. Like you've tried to, but why have you been dragged into this situation? Should have just kept it moving.
Sergeant. If anything is happening in my station,
but nothing's happening in your station.
Obviously, but
so do you think I'm a terrorist? Do you suspect I'm a terrorist right now? What does that mean? Do you suspect I'm a terrorist? You don't know. There needs to be some objective basis. No, I don't want to be handcuffed. I don't want to be handcuffed.
No,
get your hand off me. All right, under duress. Get your hand off me. Under duress. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you.
Please.
Because if not, you're going to seize it from me, yeah? So this is the one that was plugged into the controller.
Can I see the device you're using, please?
This is a drone.
This is a drone. Can I... Listen, mate.
Go on, look.
Thank you. Yeah, we have to review everything. Has anybody got a bag here?
What do you want? Evidence?
Yeah, evidence bag, please.
Why do you want evidence bag? You're going to seize it?
Yes.
You're seizing it all, yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
Why? You just said you wanted to review the footage?
Yeah, that's why. Is it not what I said?
Yeah. Say again?
So, where does all of this leave us? The encounter ultimately raises important questions about public rights, police accountability, and the limits of authority. Citizens have the right to ask questions, to seek explanations, and to expect lawful conduct from public officials. Equally, officers have a responsibility to understand the powers they use and to communicate those powers clearly. When those principles are followed, trust is strengthened. When they are not, public confidence suffers. Encounters like this serve as a reminder that transparency, knowledge, and accountability remain essential to maintaining the rule of law. If you found this breakdown informative, consider subscribing and sharing. Your support helps keep independent analysis and public interest discussions alive.